Where are my ends? Can you see it? Can you see it? No? No? No, you can't see the ends because they're all protected. Do you like the style I have on? Keep watching and I will show you how I do this style. In today's video, I'm talking about protective styles. Hello everyone, welcome to this community of very beautiful people who see, create and express beauty in many aspects of our lives. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for joining this community. I'm sure you'll find this community very inspiring. My name is Chime Kankari and my mission for this channel is to inspire people to create, to see and to express beauty in different areas in their lives. In this channel, we will talk about new perspectives of beauty. We will take up yearly beauty challenges and we will talk about the habits or the products that we're using to help us achieve success in the beauty challenge. This year, my beauty challenge is growing out my hair longer. So, first question for you. Do you believe that every person of African descent can grow healthy hair to a predetermined length or to whatever length that we choose? If so, good for you. I believe so too, and in this video, I'll be showing you how I use protective style to grow out my hair really long. First question you might have, what is a protective style? A protective style is a style that does the following. First, it prevents you from manipulating your hair often. Second, it helps seal in moisture in your hair. Third, it protects the ends of your hair. And then fourth and the best, it helps in length retention. As you can see the style I have, where are my ends? They can't be found because they're all hidden away and they're all protected. So the purpose of protective style is to retain length and to hide the ends of the hair so that you can grow your hair longer and healthier. Later on in this video, I'll show you how I do this hairstyle and how I'm able to seal in the moisture at the ends of the hair. Now that I've covered the question of what is a protective style, the second question is, why should I do a protective style? You should do protective styles if your goal is to grow your hair healthy or to grow your hair longer. If your goal is none of the above, then you can neglect protective styles. But if your goal is to grow your hair healthier, or if your goal is to grow your hair longer, or if your goal is just to reduce the amount of times you manipulate your hair, then protective styles are your go-to. So I'm sure you guys have the next question. When do I do protective styles if I want to grow my hair long? The answer is do protective styles as often as possible. In all honesty, most times I'm on protective styles. Apart from this YouTube channel, many people who know me on a day-to-day basis don't really know that my hair is this long because I always have my hair in protective styles. And one thing I do is I try to find protective styles that actually look good on me. So when I wear my protective styles, it's like them. I like the way they look on me, and I wear the protective styles because it looks good on me and also it protects my hair from damages. Before I go to the video of me showing you how to do this hairstyle, I'd like to encourage you, when you're doing protective styles, find out the styles that actually make you look good. Find out the styles that you like, because you want to look good when you're protecting your hair. You don't want to look crappy and your hair is being protected. You will enjoy the journey, the natural hair journey. So to enjoy a natural hair journey and to keep your hair protected, find styles that you like. And if you like this style I have on, then keep watching and I will show you how I do this style. I washed my hair with a shampoo, sulfate-free shampoo, and I deep conditioned my hair with Joico. There, I was towel drying my hair just to make sure that my hair is damp a little bit. I split my hair into workable sections. As you can see, I'm using that clip, the plastic clip, to split my hair into workable sections. Make sure you have a plastic clip like the one I'm showing here so that you can split your hair into manageable sections to work with. You don't want to have your hair tangled up. This style, I was using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafra Oil Intensive Hydration Twist Defining Custard, and that is the castor oil I also use for my hair. I've had this bottle of castor oil for almost 2 years now and it's been really good. The oil I'll also be using is the palm kernel oil, which I've shown you in my previous videos. So this is what I'll be using also for my hair. Shea moisture, castor oil, and palm kernel oil. Now that you split your hair into manageable sections, make sure that it's a little bit damp. So that's why I'm trying to make sure that my hair is a little bit damp and it's in the manageable section. I first go in with my leave-in conditioner. The aim of doing this is to make sure that I get my hair to the right pH. Remember, the hair loves a pH of 4.5 to 5.5. 4.5 to 5.5 is the right pH for the hair. So your leave-in conditioner should have that pH, and when you put it on your hair, it should get your hair back to the correct pH. Water that's already on the hair has a high pH of 7. The leave-in conditioner should help your hair get back to the correct pH, and once you have your leave-in conditioner in there, it also helps soften your hair and add some moisture or lock in some moisture in your hair. After I put in my leave-in conditioner in my hair, I go in with my oils. I first apply the palm kernel oil because it's a lighter oil. Then afterwards, I apply the castor oil to my hair. I mostly concentrate the castor oil to the ends of my hair. I love the castor oil because it's thick and it helps keep the ends of my hair very soft. So I apply the palm kernel oil to my hair as I'm showing you. I apply it to close to the roots to the ends, and then I concentrate the castor oil on the ends of my hair. After I'm done working the leave-in conditioner and the palm kernel oil into my hair, I then go for the castor oil. I try my best to concentrate the castor oil at the ends of my hair because it's a thick oil. I make sure it doesn't get to my scalp. Even though sometimes I get carried away and accidentally take it a bit higher, I ensure that it never touches my scalp. Even though I take it a bit higher than the ends of my hair, I try to ensure that the castor oil doesn't get to my scalp just because it's a thick oil, and I prefer not to have that thick oil on my scalp. Once I'm done putting in the leave-in conditioner, the palm kernel oil, and the castor oil into my hair, I then make a loose twist. This is just to help create separation between what I've done versus what I've not done. It also helps for me to manage my hair so that I don't have hair scattered around and have my hair tangled up. The process I showed you, I repeat throughout the whole sections of my hair. I make sure I pick up manageable sections and work on those manageable sections. Once I'm done picking a manageable section, I put my hair back in the clip. And then I prepare the section I've picked out for detangling, the leave-in conditioner, the palm kernel oil, and the castor oil. Keep repeating the method I showed. That's putting leave-in conditioner, putting your oils, and then make sure that as you're putting your leave-in conditioner and your oils, make sure you're detangling in the process. That's taking away any shed or dead hair from your hair. So as you can see, for most of my hair, I'm done with them. Just remain the two I'm playing with over there. Those two I haven't worked on because that will form the bang of the hairstyle. Since I'm filming this video, I didn't have any mirror in front of me, so I had to bring that small mirror to look at what I was doing. I actually didn't have a clean cut, like in terms of like a clean cut for the front bang. I just picked out whatever I thought would be a good cut. So this cut for the bang wasn't clean, but I like the way it came out though. So now this is me. I'm loosening all the twist I did, just to enable me to form the ponytail I have on. So as you can see, it's very easy to take out the twist I already have in. It's quite easy because I did loose twists. So make sure that your twists are loose, because when it comes time to doing the ponytail, you need it to be easy. You need it to easily come off. You need it to be easy for you to gather up all the hair, for you to make your ponytail. So what I use to tie the hair to make the ponytail is just an African thread. An African thread I use is quite elastic, so it's able to just wrap around my hair and doesn't give me any tension in my hair. I make sure I try to catch every hair so that I don't have anything that is left or any hair that has the chance of getting tangled. So be careful of that. If you don't catch all the hairs, your hair, the ones that are free to escape, might just get tangled. So make sure you catch all the hairs. Now that I'm done tying the hair, I make sure that there isn't any tension. So I look at the style, make sure I have all the hairs packed up, and then I also check to see if there's any tension in the hair. Make sure that there isn't tension, especially close to your edges, the front edges. If not, you'll be losing some edges and then you'll be wondering where they went. They went to the tightness of the style. So make sure that your hair is not tight so that you don't lose your edges. Some people prefer to leave their hair like this, but I don't. I don't like to leave my hair like this, like in a kind of like a pineapple type of style, because what's the point of doing a protective style when your ends are let loose? So I do mini twist on my ends. As you can see here, I'm doing the mini twist on the ends. So I just pick some sections. They don't have to be in any particular order or any particular style. I just pick any section I find, and then do like a loose twist on them. Keep doing the loose twist on all the sections of the hair. Make sure that none of the ends are left exposed. So as you can see in the video, doing a loose twist on all the sections of the hair and everything. I cut all the sections of the hair and did loose twists on them. Now the last part of the style is to tuck in the hair. So I'm just tucking it around where I put the thread. For the thread, you can use an elastic band, whatever thing you use to pack your hair to make a bun, you can use that. So I'm just making sure I tuck in the ends of the hair around where I put the bun or the elastic band at. So making a wrap there, wrapping the hair around each other, close to where I put the band at. And then you see it's just this part is very fast, it's quite easy to do. Once we're done with the ponytail, you can now prepare the front for the bang. So as you can see, I'm preparing my hair to detangle, to condition, and then to put oil treatments in it. As I stated earlier, make sure that you put your hair in manageable sections. So whenever you're not working on a section of hair, put it away. You don't want your hair to get tangled since it's still damp and it's in a state whereby it could get tangled easily. So have it in manageable sections. So as you can see, I'm detangling my hair, making sure that any knots are loose, and just making sure I'm putting my conditioners, my oils, and all into my hair. So just the same step I did for the other sections where the ponytail is, I'm gonna do for the front bag. So detangle, oil, and then twist it up and pick a next section and work on that. So after we're done detangling, moisturizing, that's putting leave-in treatments, oils on our hair, then split the front into 3 sections and prepare it for a braid. So we're going to do a loose braid. The ends will be loose while the middle section will be tight. So this will give the bang that puffiness. So as you can see, I'm doing a braid on the hair. It's a loose braid, loose on top, and then tighter at the bottom of the braid.
Once I reach close to the end of the braid, I then make a twist. The twist at the far end of the braid makes it easy to loosen. Now that I've completed the braid, what I just pretty much do next is hide it. So that's why you don't see the ends of the hair, because I've just pretty much tucked in the hair. So I tuck it into the loose part of the braid. For this style, I use 3 bobby pins to hold the bang. The main purpose of the bobby pin is again to give it a shape. So if I want to create like a side swoop on the bang, I put the bobby pin on the side of the hair like I was showing in this video. So I put the bobby pin on the side as I'm showing here to create a side swoop with the bang. And also, since I'm using 3 bobby pins in this video, one is to create a side swoop, the other is to hold the hair there. So you don't want the hair that you tucked in to fall like I'm showing. So in order to hold that hair, you need a bobby pin at the middle of the bang to ensure that that hair that is tucked in is held very well. Make sure that when you place the bobby pins, they don't feel tight on your hair. To get the style to appear very laid back and look very neat, you need to wear a scarf. Remember that your hair at this point is damp, so when you wear a scarf under the damp hair in this style, it helps your hair look like you put some gel in it, so it gives you that sleek look like a gel would do. Given that I haven't used gel for years in my journey, what I just pretty much do to get that really nice looking ponytail style is to use a scarf. The scarf helps the hair to have that sleek gel-like look. Always remember that when your hair is damp and you're wearing a scarf, make sure to close every open area of the scarf so that you don't have like a bed head. That's one side will look puffy and the other side will look sleek. So make sure that the scarf covers everything. So everyone, that's all.
Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. You see that protective styles are very essential for you to grow your hair long. Protective styles can be very, very beautiful if you find the right one for you. Just find the protective style that fits your face or fits your hairstyle needs or goals, and then you'll probably find out that you might just be doing protective styles not necessarily to protect your hair, but just because you actually like it, you like the way it looks on you, right? So it's good for you to like something that actually protects your hair. Like, I love this hairstyle. I have styles similar to this I just love doing because they hide my ends well, and most especially I just love the way they look on me. They do make my facial features come out more, and I really admire the way it looks on me. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I am a new YouTuber and my goal is to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So thank you so much for joining this community, and thanks so much for supporting me in my goal. I hope you achieve all your goals too.